Shut up, man. Come on.
Últimas palabras del referee Herdin.
All right, gentlemen, we've gone over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We're gonna have a clean fight. Touch gloves. Let's do this.
Let's set the table for this one with Bruce Buffer.
By taking out the lesser right favor, Southpaw is sponsored by Modelo Brew for those who may find spirit. Now this is black right favor. Is it? Down to get caught with the left hand by Sean Thompson. A couple fights ago, fought through that. That's how very good scheduling is. That's right. And for the man up here in young fights, you can't take a shot, John. You have to be able to take it because of the way he gives it, the way he fights that style. That face forward shot, sometimes you're gonna hit. He's going to take one to give one because he's so powerful.
He's got Uriah backing up.
Yeah.
Age, and you can see they are both male. Fight of the evening. That's Chili Pepper's fame. That is a big-time UFC fan.
That's when you know you got a legit MMA fan who's obsessed with the sport. He wants to go out of his way to come and see these young up-and-coming guys.
Straight landed there by T. Adams in the red. Team the Gray or Clay coach.
Yeah, I was talking to T's coach earlier today, and all I'm talking about is how much he's really worked on his kickboxing. So we'll see if he can pull some of that off tonight and use that to set up some takedowns to get this fight down to the mat. But he's eating some big punches right now.
Right. Good combination strung together there by Juan Adams.
He's got to clinch. He's even got to pull guard at this point. He can't eat too many more punches like that from Adams. He's just working his now. Wow.
3 consecutive.
Up or down. Up or down. Get up.
There you go. Ref gave him a choice there. Wow.
Let's go.
He's fishing for a. Obviously, he wants his angle. He wants to try to go for a heel hook here. But with a guy the size of Adams, I think he's just going to be able to sit through. This guy's down there. He needs to get control occupy the hands of Adams, or he's not going to get out for the second round.
Move, fight back.
You could see what Adams was talking about in that piece. He's heard that Teague was deep, but now Adams has his back.
This is bad.
Stop.
He pretty much gave up there, I think.
Wow.
Impressive.
What a display from Juan Adams, the 26-year-old from Houston, coming in as a minus 450 favorite.
Here we go. King Watches, Junior Dos Santos, the heavyweight championship. White trunks for Dos Santos, dark trunks for Velasquez. Watch for the uppercut of Junior Dos Santos. That right hand is vicious. The King, by the way, is working on legs of Junior Dos Santos. King has a more comprehensive stand-up game. He will use all weapons. The Junior has all weapons, but really prefers to throw punches. And the left hook by hand. Has a ton of confidence in his boxing. There's Dos Santos. Velasquez would like to take some spring out of that front leg, and again he looks for the kick. Big shot! He's right hand by Junior Dos Santos. He's right hand. It is all over! Junior Dos Santos is the new UFC heavyweight champion of the world! Unbelievable! And this is what you talked about, Mike, that right hand. And you see it connect to the temple. Kane goes down. And Junior swarms him. Let's see it again. Overhand right to the temple. Junior jumps on him. 1, 2, 3 left hands. And Kane just turns over, and Big John McCarthy saw enough. The official decision. Here is Bruce Buffer.
Stop.
Get out of here with that.
Early head kick from McGregor. Cerrone covering up.
That's a big shot.
Oh, Cerrone trying to survive. 30 seconds in.
Okay, gentlemen, you've been over the rules. You understand exactly what I expect. Keep yourself protected. Listen to me at all times. When I say stop, you stop. If you want to touch, do it now. Let's do it.
Fight, ladies and gentlemen. Stephen Thompson, a -145 favorite on the road. Darren Till, the hometown underdog, slight underdog, at +115. The octagon gates are shut. Darren Till, the hometown underdog, slight underdog. The octagon gates are shut. Mark Goddard claps him in. A high five. Stephen Wonderboy Thompson in the gray. Darren Till in the black.
It's the highest end of striking we've seen those people. Also, fakes, games game, trickery, tries to trash people, his crowd, comes straight down the old call, and realize this, no, that's beautiful, one more so call, just really see you have straight, so what's that?
Paper among active welterweights. He's talked a lot leading up to this one about being a bully, chain wrestling, wrist control, things like that. Woodley was as exciting as any contender. You're right, some of the matchups haven't resulted in the most exciting title fights, but Woodley is hell-bent on making a statement here tonight. He should have a willing opponent. Tyron Woodley said when he was undefeated, you don't think you're ever going to lose. He will try to bounce Darren Till from the ranks of the unbeaten.
Darren Till, and tonight Darren Till has a big opportunity to become something so much more than just the second English world champion. He can become a true star by beating a guy as accomplished as Tyron Woodley.
His head coach Colin Heron said we're going to see a panicky Tyron Woodley here tonight. Darren will capitalize, and eventually he will knock him out and become the UFC welterweight champion. All eyes on the knockout artist Darren Till tonight. They are watching in Liverpool and
presenting the #2 ranked welterweight contender in the world, the challenger, Darren the Gorilla Till. And now introducing the champion, fighting out of the red corner, a freestyle fighter holding a professional record, 18 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 170 pounds. Fighting out of St. Louis, Missouri, presenting the reigning, defending, undisputed UFC welterweight champion of the world.
Here inside American Airlines Center here in Dallas, these people, you get the sense they feel like they're about to witness something special. And will it be the night that Darren Till realizes UFC gold at just 25 years old? Tyron Woodley looking to prevent that from happening. Tonight's fight clock is brought to you by Modelo Especial, brewed with a fighting spirit since 1925. Darren Till is in gray, Tyron Woodley in the black and gold, befitting a champion. Early flurry from the chosen one.
Tyron connected. Oh, nice. Tyron starting much more aggressive than he normally does. And now he's into that clinch to try to get the takedown. This is a big moment. He needs to secure this takedown right now to show Darren Till that he's going to be wrestling.
He's got double underhooks here. Tried the trip, never needed the body. But just the fact that he's able to secure the clinch so quickly.
USA chance.
Uh-oh. Trying to tie that leg up.
That's beautiful. T. Wood needs to do that if he's going to try to get a takedown. He's got to step around and use it to create an angle around Darren Till. But the length of Darren Till right now is giving him problems.
Oh.
He can't change the position. That was kind of quick.
I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
Well, and if that's going to be the way this one's officiated.
To defend his title. This is the best welterweight on the planet Earth. Until the end of this fight, this is the top level of the video game. That's as good as it gets. And very arguably the best welterweight of all time.
And what the champ brings to the table that makes him different in this matchup against Kamaru is the fact that he's going to feint a lot. He's going to pull out the takedown attempts of Usman with body shots and by keeping the pressure and just getting him to shoot when he wants to. And he says the difference is I'm not just defending takedowns, I'm making Usman shoot in the elbows, make him shoot in the knees. He's going to pay for taking these takedowns. going to be able to switch to, and Woodley has had problems with that hand. So you got to think, what's the plan B if something happens? And does he need it? We don't know. But the point is, with the power that Woodley has, you've got to think about that.
Very good points.
There is a method to everything Tyron Woodley does. He is a calculated fighter, a calculated man, and a scary proposition for the rest of this welterweight division. He's 36 years old, but he's getting better. He feels like his sparring was never as good as it was than it has been over the last 6 weeks, getting ready for the challenge that is Kamaru
You said you didn't talk about business with Conor, but everybody wants to know when he was going to fight again. He said he wants to stay active. You kind of seemed like you've been hinting that you would like to see him fight the winner of Tony and Khabib. Where are we at on that? When are we going to see Conor fight next?
Yeah, we don't have anything yet. He literally just went home a few days ago. He stayed here with his family and then went to Disneyland and then went home. So we haven't talked about it at all.
From who? It sounds
From
like
YouTube Gaming.
It sounds like some Nazi shit. Like what? Are they gonna send you a fucking star a day?
I don't know. We got the Kim Kardashian treatment.
Okay.
Sure.
I've got a ton of shit to get to.
Me too.
First on my list is Kanye Twitter.
On a date right now, so no, it was nice to meet you. He goes, oh, but I came from Chicago. I was like, look, I don't care if you're from Chicago.
Yeah.
And then Mariel was like, hey, it's okay. And I was like, okay, cool, we'll take a picture then.
Oh, that's so considerate.
Yeah. So
No.
But the kid was really sweet. It's just like for me, I don't like her having to wait for me for stuff that feels like it's for
Take
my
the
vanity.
fucking photo every time.
That's all pending on if she's okay with it.
Oh, that's beautiful, dude.
Because, like, for example, I was at Disneyland.
He literally just went home a few days ago. He stayed here with his family and then went to Disneyland and then went home.
Yeah, when I watched you there, I was really curious because I was like, how the fuck could he possibly be at Disneyland and live a normal life? And that's like Bill Murray. I'm like, how does Bill Murray go to Disneyland? I've always wondered.